SAP Business One Integration Hub, MailChimp, Setup in Administration Console, and SAP Business One. We would like to give you an overview on how to set up MailChimp in the Administration Console and in SAP Business One, including the topics MailChimp template selection, connectivity setup, deployment in the Administration Console, and verification of the MailChimp feature activation, email setup, email templates, and mark business partners for email notifications in SAP Business One. To set up the MailChimp template in the Administration Console, click on the plus icon for specific customer. In the list of application templates supported by the Integration Hub, select the MailChimp template. By default, the template name is My MailChimp Template. By clicking on the Edit button, you can edit the template name. This is necessary when using a template several times for different companies in the same SLD category. To start a configuration, choose the Let's Start button. In the Set Connectivity page, select the SAP Business One System ID. The drop-down displays all SAP Business One SLDs available in this specific SLD category. Select the appropriate SLD. To edit the SLD details, click on the Edit button. Test the connection by clicking on the Test Connection button. To set up the MailChimp ID, click on the Edit button. Enter the system name and the API key, save the settings, and test the connection. By clicking on Next, the preparation for deployment starts and displays the Deploy Now button. Start the deployment. Once the deployment is successful, the Integration Hub shows the connected MailChimp template for this specific customer landscape. Click on Choose a template to verify whether the MailChimp template is tagged in green. To verify the MailChimp feature activation in SAP Business One, log into SAP Business One. The connection confirmation message is shown. The first time after the deployment of MailChimp, the MailChimp database script is executed. After successful execution, a restart of SAP Business One is necessary. After logging in again to SAP Business One, in the window Feature Activation, the application MailChimp is set as active. To send MailChimp email notifications, make sure that the required mandatory fields in the following areas are set. Under User Setup, verify that the email IDs for the respective users are set. Under Initialization, General Settings, Path tab, ensure that the path for the attachments folder is provided. To set up MailChimp, go to the window Print Preferences, General tab, and make sure that the default email gateway is MailChimp. In the tab Per Document, new checkboxes Send email via Hub and Send email to all business partners are available. The fields Email Subject and Email Body are enabled for marketing documents such as sales quotation, sales order, delivery, return request, returns, AR down payment, AR invoice, AR credit memo, purchase quotation, purchase order, goods receipt PO, goods return request, goods return, AP down payment, AP invoice, and AP credit memo. To activate the MailChimp email notification, select the relevant documents and check the setting Send email via Hub per document. The predefined email template in the field Email Body can be edited to your specific requirements for each document type individually. In the Business Partner Master Data, a new checkbox Send Marketing Documents Notification via Hub is available. For sending email notifications to a contact person, an email in the tab Contact Persons is required. field, send marketing notification via Hub in the Business Partner Master Data record to let MailChimp send email notifications to this specific business partner. In the window Print Preferences, the checkbox Send email to all business partners can be checked. If this checkbox is selected, then unchecking or checking the email checkbox in the Business Partner Master Data has no effect. Thank you.